Hello, I am Kobey from Hearns Hobbies, and I will be going through cleaning an airbrush. So, I've just finished my painting session. I still have a little bit of paint in the cup. I'm going to get my paint pot and just drain it into there. This might take a while. Just speed it up. Or you can also, for the sake of making it quicker, do it first. Put that back on. And then spray the rest, which should only be a little bit. Alright, that should be most of it. Now I use an array of different tools to be cleaning. My airbrush, I use a lot of cotton buds. I love using cotton buds. I use tissues, I use paper towel, and I also use a microfiber cloth. I find that those also clean my airbrush really well. So what I'll do, I'm just going to get a tissue, shove it in there, wipe everything out of the cup, at least. Get that all out. Yeah. Get a little bit of water, because I am painting in acrylic, water-based. I can wash it with water. Just spray that in there. Go. Alright, so that should be semi-clean. So now I'm going to pump this off, because I don't need any pressure going through there at the moment. Oh, I should really wait. You can just turn that off actually. I don't need any pressure going through there at the moment, so I can take our needle out. Two nozzles off. Blockage in the last spray, so that's just come out. Alright, and I should have my tool set around here somewhere. This is going to be an absolute mess off camera. I've got a little bin down there, but use that later. I'm looking for this. I'm going to get my little spanner that comes with it and undo the nozzle. And then we also have these tools here. There's so many tools to clean your airbrush, but I'm pretty much just going to go through how I usually do it. Alright, we also have a more aggressive thinner here, the Hobby Color Thinner. Right. So, we're going to get a cotton bud. I'm going to put it in the thinner. I'm just going to clean my needle. The way I do this is I just wipe it up and down, and it collects all of the paint off of my needle. Done. And then I'll use that in the pot, just shove it in down that way. Yep, and that looks pretty good. And then the nozzle. good. Take both of them off. This one here. Clean the thread so it doesn't get stuck. A lot of these get stuck. Slippery hands from the thinner. Clean the exterior if you like. And then you can get your little brushes. They are these ones. I'm just going to get the finest one first. Try and clear anything out of there. I don't want. There's also this one here. Getting a couple of the bits of debris in there that have been stuck for a while. Lots of black. Get a little bit of thinners. Out. There we go. And then if anything was collected in the back, we'll just get the cotton bud we used, dip the other side in. We'll just use that cleaner side to come in and pull a lot of that stuff that we just pushed into the cup out. Go. Get the tissue. I usually use like a microfiber cloth, but we don't have any here at the moment. Alright, so that's the needle, the airbrush and whatnot finished. And then I'm just going to work on the nozzle a little bit. Just going to clean the exterior with that clean thinners spot. And then I usually have a needle pick, but if you don't have a needle pick, come in here. The nozzle, the needle and nozzle pick. Just use your needle. You do run the risk of bending it. Be careful and you just use it at a very light angle. And just get some fine debris out of your nozzle. Alright. And then I'm just going to screw it on with my fingers. Don't need to screw it back on with the spanner, otherwise you might thread it and destroy it. You don't want to do that, because then you need a whole new airbrush, and that would be a catastrophe. Alright, I'm going to chuck this on. Turn this on. I'm going to run some thinners through it and put it into the paint pot without the needle. Quick release, engaged. Just like that, it is out. I'll get my final cotton bud. Wipe out any excess that might have cleaned up. As you can see, there's a little bit of debris in there. And then finally the needle. There was a little bit more debris than I thought. There you go. That was on the back part of the airbrush. The bigger one's for spills, which also happen in modelling. Alright. Try one more time. Very nice. All good. There we go. That would be a deep clean that I would do on my airbrush when I have finished for the day. So, not spraying anymore. Put the cap back on the back. That would be finished. I'll be ready to put that away, ready for the next session. I just run some thinners through it before I spray, and it would be good to go. There we are. That is how I clean my airbrush. I do have a couple more steps, sometimes with the microfiber cloth, like polishing the outside and whatnot, if I'm feeling special. But other than that, that's like a simple finished clean of my airbrush. That's what I'll do. Thank you so much, guys. I hope that you have somewhat learned something from this simple tutorial of cleaning a simple airbrush. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we will see you next time. Cheers.